Seniors. Eat these 4 nuts before bed to restore clear vision naturally. If you are over 60 and notice that signs are getting blurry, halos are appearing around streetlights, or your eyes feel perpetually dry and gritty, you are certainly not alone. Millions of seniors quietly worry that they are losing their independence as their vision fades, often assuming it is just an inevitable part of growing old. However, profound vision loss is not a normal part of aging. It is often the result of cumulative inflammation and a lack of specific nutrients that your retina and optic nerve desperately need to recover from daily strain. The stakes are incredibly high, as experts project that by the year 2040, nearly 288 million people worldwide will be suffering from age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. The good news is that your eyes undergo a deep restoration phase while you sleep, specifically between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., but they cannot rebuild themselves without the right biological building blocks in your system before bed. If you want to protect your sight and regain that sharp morning clarity, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more science-based senior health tips, and share this with someone you care about. Make sure to stay until the very end, because I am going to reveal a specific nighttime eye ritual involving timing and temperature that could change the way you see the world starting tomorrow morning. 1. Walnuts. For seniors over 60, walnuts are a unique powerhouse for maintaining the integrity of the optic nerve and visual processing. As we age, the body begins to lose the healthy fats that provide structural support to the retina and the nerves that carry images to your brain, which often results in vision that feels foggy or slow to respond. Walnuts are exceptionally rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a specific type of plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that improves blood circulation to the eyes while significantly reducing nighttime inflammation. This is critical because poor blood flow is a primary risk factor for pressure-related vision issues like glaucoma. To maximize these benefits, you should follow the specific tip of eating exactly 2 walnut halves 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This precise timing ensures that the ALA and magnesium are circulating in your bloodstream during your eye's deepest repair window. Walnuts also contain compounds that support natural melatonin production, which helps you drift into a deeper, more restorative sleep where the majority of cellular eye repair actually occurs. By incorporating walnuts into your evening routine, you are providing a direct source of neuroprotection that keeps the eye-brain connection sharp and resilient. A valuable tip for seniors concerned about digestion is to chew the walnuts very slowly and thoroughly before lying down to signal the digestive system to work efficiently. This habit helps your retina adapt more quickly to changing light, making the transition from a bright room to a dark hallway safer and steadier. Strengthening the connection between your eyes and your brain is only the first step, as you must also shield the retina from modern environmental strain. 2. Pistachios. While walnuts support the nerves, pistachios act as the ultimate bodyguards for your retina because they are one of the few nuts that naturally contain high concentrations of lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 antioxidants concentrate directly in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision, where they act like built-in sunglasses by filtering out the harsh blue light emitted by phones and tablets. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, pistachios contain a staggering 2,903 micrograms of lutein and zeaxanthin per 100 grams, which is vastly higher than almost any other common nut. Many seniors find that driving at night becomes terrifying because oncoming headlights feel blinding, a symptom often linked to depleted macular pigments. An essential tip for seniors is to consume roughly 1 tablespoon of unsalted pistachios in the evening to refill these protective filters while you sleep. You must follow the critical tip of choosing raw pistachios rather than roasted varieties, as roasted nuts often contain oxidized oils that can actually increase internal inflammation. The healthy fats found in raw pistachios enhance the bioavailability of these pigments, which is especially important because older adults often have more difficulty absorbing these nutrients. Studies such as the AREDS2 have confirmed that replacing older supplement formulas with these specific carotenoids significantly reduces the risk of progressing to advanced AMD. Furthermore, pistachios contain vitamin B6, which helps reduce nighttime eye twitching, a common annoyance for many seniors. Protecting the retina from light is vital, but you must also address the silent fire of internal inflammation that causes daily discomfort. 3. Brazil nuts. If you frequently wake up with eyes that feel red, burning, or gritty, like there is sand in them, you are likely dealing with chronic ocular inflammation. This is where the Brazil nut makes a truly surprising difference as the world's richest natural source of selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral essential for the production of antioxidant enzymes inside the eye that defend against the oxidative damage that clouds the lens. Research indicates that even a minor deficiency in selenium can make your eyes significantly more prone to dryness and irritation because the body cannot effectively control the oxidative stress that builds up during the day. A vital tip for safety and effectiveness is to eat exactly 1 Brazil nut per day in the evening, no more and no less. Because selenium is so concentrated in this nut, just one provides more than 100% of your daily needs, and consuming a whole handful can lead to selenium toxicity. For seniors on blood-thinning medication or those with kidney disease, the most important tip is to consult a doctor before making this a regular habit. Think of this one nut as a nightly reset button for your eye's inflammatory response, helping them recover from the strain of wind, dust, and screen use. Many seniors find that within a month of adding this one small habit, they can significantly reduce their reliance on artificial tears. Restoring the calm, comfortable feeling your eyes used to have is possible, provided you also maintain a lasting moisture shield for the morning ahead. 4. Almonds. Almonds offer a specific nighttime advantage for vision because they are among the world's best sources of vitamin E. This powerful fat-soluble antioxidant shields the delicate cells of your retina from free radicals that accelerate cataracts and macular degeneration. The USDA reports that 100 grams of raw almonds provide approximately 25.6 milligrams of vitamin E, which acts as a protective barrier against oxidative clouding in the lens. Because vitamin E is fat-soluble, you must follow the tip of eating your almonds 30 to 60 minutes before sleep so they can be absorbed while your body is resting and not competing with daytime digestive processes. Furthermore, almonds are vital for maintaining tear film stability, the oily layer on your eye that prevents moisture from evaporating. A professional tip to maximize nutrient delivery is to lightly soak 5 to 7 raw almonds in water during the day, which makes them easier to digest and improves the delivery of vitamin E to your eyes at night. Consistency is the secret here, as clinical observations show that seniors who eat this exact amount report significantly less morning eye stiffness and irritation after just 2 to 4 weeks. Almonds also contain magnesium, which helps relax the tiny blood vessels in the eye and prevents pressure buildup overnight. Utilizing a few simple almonds provides a gentle, natural way to wake up with clear, comfortable eyes and steadier morning vision. In conclusion, you do not have to accept fading vision as an inevitable consequence of getting older. By simply incorporating these 4 nuts, almonds for protection, walnuts for your nerves, pistachios for your macular pigments, and 1 Brazil nut for inflammation, you are giving your eyes the exact nutrients they need to heal while you sleep. Please remember to like this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue bringing you these vital health insights. Be warned, if you continue to ignore these nutritional missing links and instead consume late-night sugar, alcohol, or salty snacks, the buildup of oxidative stress and inflammation will continue to accelerate the progression of cataracts and AMD, potentially leading to irreversible vision loss that could have been slowed. Don't wait until it's too late to start your nighttime ritual. In our next video, we are going to dive even deeper into the nighttime eye healing ritual, including the specific herbal teas like chamomile that can gently dilate blood vessels and triple the absorption of these nutrients. I'll see you there.